In this video, we are going to see how we can adjust the credit limit for the customers in the payment terms. So let's go to the customers and sales module from the left-hand corner. And from here, just click on the customers and click on view and edit customers, because we have already created some customers. And for them, we want to adjust the payment terms or credit limit. So just double click to open any existing customer. And once you are in here, just go to the payments and credit tab. And on the right hand side, we can see the customized term for this customer, because we have adjusted the credit limit manually. By default, it was 2500. So let's say if you want to change the credit status to not just notify, but just hold over the credit limit. So what happens is after 250,000 limit has reached, it will not allow you to enter any future transaction. Also, if the customer has defaulted, you can put it on hold. So whatever is the credit limit, it will still not allow you to enter any transactions for that customer. If you're just doing the assignment and this option is disturbing you, you can also set it to no credit limit. So in this case, there will be no credit limit here. But if you want to just change this, let's say to 500,000, we can change it from here. And also we can change how the payment is due. So it's due in number of days, which is 30 days. If you want to make it 45 days, you can customize like that. Or even if you want to make the payment due on day of next month, for example, first day of next month, you can do that as well. But I'll just keep it to due in number of days, which is 45 days, let's say. So after that, you can save. And that's how you can make all of these customizations. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.